UK Supreme Court ruling defines woman in the Equality Act 2010 based on biological sex, not gender identity. Biological sex as defining factor. Individuals not born female cannot gain legal protections as women under the Act via a gender recognition certificate. Transgender women are excluded from this definition for equality purposes. Protections for transgender individuals. The Act still protects trans individuals under gender reassignment. Implications. Allows women-only services, shelters, etc. to exclude trans women. Impacts employment equal pay cases as trans women may not be valid comparators. Scottish Government guidance deemed incorrect. Court ruled Scottish Government's guidance that those with Gender Recognition Certificate, GRC, in the female gender could be used to define the term woman was incorrect. For Women Scotland, FWS fought to define woman based on biological sex. Why in news? Ongoing debate. The ruling addresses the contentious issue of gender identity versus biological sex. Clarity and confidence. Aims to give clarity and confidence for women and service providers like hospitals, sports clubs and shelters, and women can now feel safe that services and spaces designated for women are for women. Transgender rights. Transgender rights activists argue that the ruling is a blow to some of the most marginalized people in society and gender should be based on gender identity. Potential impact. This decision may influence similar legal discussions globally regarding gender identity and equality laws and reflects long drawn-out culture wars that are being fought over gender on both sides of the Atlantic.